Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Finello app step by step and how you can start learning trading easily as a beginner. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Finello app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll see the option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your details. But if you're new, just tap on Create Account. I'm going to go with create account so I can show you the full process. Once your account is ready, the app will guide you through a quick setup process. Here, Finello will ask you a few questions to understand your background and goals. For example, it will ask if you have traded before, just answer yes or no. Your age group, you can choose any age group. Your income source, select any one option, and your financial situation. Just answer these questions honestly because the app uses your answers to create a personalized learning experience. Now tap on continue. Next, you'll be asked about your goals, like whether you want to grow your wealth, earn passive income, or achieve financial independence. Choose any one. Next, you'll be asked about your current income source. Select any one of them. Next, you'll be asked about your financial situation. Again, choose any one option and tap continue. You'll also see questions about your money barrier to living your retire wealthy life and your confidence level in your financial future. Now tap on continue and answer the question, do you feel FOMO? And what concerns you the most about trading, like losing money or market risks? Just answer the all questions about trading. Next, it will ask what scares you most about trading. You can select any option. Then it will ask which trading topic interests you. After that, you will see company selection like Microsoft, Apple, Bitcoin, Tesla, Google. Select the ones you are interested in and continue. Now it will ask which tools you want, like risk-free simulator, trading coach, and personal learning plan. Select all and continue. Next, it will ask how much you want to earn from trading. You can choose any range, then what you will do with extra income like travel or lifestyle. Then it will ask how ready you are to trade. Select ready. Then if you have any goals like buying a house or vacation, select them. Then how much time you can spend daily, like 20 minutes. After completing this section, Finello will generate a personalized 28-day trading challenge for you. Next, it may ask how you heard about Finello. You can select any option like Facebook, Google, or a friend referral, and then tap on continue to move forward. Now you will see the free trial option. Finello usually offers a trial so you can explore premium features before committing. If you want full access, you can tap on subscribe and choose a plan like monthly or yearly. But if you're just starting, you can continue with the free features and explore the app first. After this, add your card details and tap on subscribe now. You'll need to enter your email address, create a username, and set a strong password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions and tap on continue. Now you may also be asked to, you will reach the main dashboard of the app and again ask some more questions about trading. Just answer them and tap continue. This is where everything is organized. At the bottom of your screen, you will see different sections like Learn, Tools, Simulator, and Profile. Each section has its own purpose. In the Learn section, you will find your complete 28-day trading challenge. It is divided into daily lessons from day 1 to day 28. Each lesson is designed in a simple and beginner-friendly way so you can easily understand trading concepts step by step. Try to complete at least 1 or 2 lessons daily to stay consistent. Next, go to the Tools section. This is where you can analyze different assets like stocks, crypto, and more. For example, tap on Apple stock, then click on the Analyze option. After that, choose a time frame like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or longer, depending on your preference. Now the app will process the data and show you detailed insights. You will see analyst ratings, key highlights, and AI-based trading signals. These signals help you understand whether the market trend is strong or weak. You can also ask questions to the AI assistant if you want more clarity about any data shown. If you want to try real trading, you can tap on the Start Trading for Real option. The app may redirect you to a partner trading platform where you can continue. But remember, always be careful and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Now let's move to the simulator section. This is one of the most important features for beginners. Here, you can practice buying and selling assets without using real money. It's completely risk-free and helps you understand how trading actually works in real market conditions. The more you practice here, the more confident you will become. Next is the profile section. Here you can manage your account settings easily. You can update your email, username, password, and also manage your subscription plans. You can even create your avatar and personalize your profile according to your preference. Now, let's talk about some important tips. Always start small when it comes to trading. Never invest large amounts in the beginning. Avoid emotional decisions like panic buying or selling, and always think logically. Also, always use stop loss to protect yourself from big losses. This is a very important rule in trading. Try to stay consistent with your daily lessons and don't skip your learning process. Use the simulator regularly to test your strategies and improve your skills without any risk. Over time, you will notice that your understanding of the market becomes much better. So, overall, Finello is a very powerful app for beginners. It combines learning, real time analysis, and practice tools in one place, making it a complete platform for anyone who wants to start their trading journey from scratch. What makes it even more useful is how it simplifies complex trading concepts into easy step by step lessons that anyone can understand. With its structured 28-day learning plan, you're not just randomly exploring, you're following a clear path designed to build your knowledge gradually. The built in tools help you analyze markets like a professional, while the simulator allows you to practice without any financial risk. This combination helps you learn faster and avoid common beginner mistakes. Another great advantage is the AI support, which provides insights, suggestions, and guidance whenever you need it. This means you're not learning alone, you have a smart assistant helping you understand the market better. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Over time, as you stay consistent, you'll notice improvement in your confidence, decision making, and overall trading skills. You'll start understanding trends, managing risks better, and making more informed choices. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little experience, Finello gives you the right tools, knowledge, and practice environment to grow step by step and move closer to becoming a confident trader.